Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to load paper to Epson EcoTank L3270, and that's pretty easy. On the back side of your printer you can see the slit, so just open it. Next you have the plastic support for your paper stack, so just stick your finger and pull it out and let it rest on its back. Now pay attention to these blue paper guides. You can bring them closer together or pull them out like this. You can adjust it to your paper size. In my case I'm using A4 paper size, so to insert this paper stack I recommend you to pull them out all the way, then just glide the paper stack inside of the printer and align with the paper guides, but don't press on the paper stack too much. Don't do like this, just don't press, only slightly touch is what you need. Now close the lid, and on the front panel you have this output tray, so you can easily pull it out and unfold completely to prevent your pages that will go out of here when the printer is working from falling down on the floor. And keep in mind that you can have up to 100 pages in the input tray, but only up to 30 pages in the output tray, so keep an eye on that when you print it. And actually that's so easy. If this video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. Bye guys.